Good morning, everyone.
Welcome back to the channel.
And they said it good. So, welcome back to the channel. And look at today. It is a wonderful, beautiful day. Sunny and hot. So, we're going to be heading out to the beach. And then we'll update you guys on the vans, why I built it, what it's for. So, let's get out to the beach and then we'll talk more.
I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. I'm not broken, I'm just split.
So, we're here.
I'm not broken, I'm just
Gonna settle down, get some lunch ready. Alright, so I'm gonna enjoy the meal.
not turn off. Turn it off.
Alright, I hope that you guys enjoyed a short little video clips of us having fun in the sun. Unfortunately, we had to leave because there were a ton of people out there. We were surprised ourselves that there could be that many people out there. But we had to leave, we have to go home, and we have to be safe. So, first of all, I wanted to thank you, those of you that are watching. And a special thanks goes out to those that have subscribed to the channels and also liked the videos. By liking the video, you're actually getting YouTube to recommend my videos to other people. I hope that you guys are enjoying your time with your families. If you're not and you're still working, thank you so much for providing services to your communities. And with that, I wanted to introduce myself. My name is Kenny Nguyen. I've created the channel to take you guys along my adventures inside this van. We're going to be spending time with friends and families. We're going to be making a lot of catch and cook videos, a lot of off-grid camping, a lot of wild camping in the wilderness. And then I'll also be showing you guys how my family is coping with this small tiny space. How a family of 4 with 2 kids are gonna be cooking, eating, doing activities, spending time together, sharing memories, making new recipes. We're gonna be doing a lot of cooking and food preparations inside the van, and we'll show you guys all of that. And let's not forget the van feel. I'm gonna be bringing you guys along, showing you guys tips and tricks of how I feel my vans. I'm going to be doing reviews on all of the techs and all of the gadgets that I have inside the van, showing you guys tutorials so that way you can do your own deal. Also, don't forget, I love techs and gadgets, so I'll be looking for new techs and new gadgets to review for you guys. And then I'll show you guys how I installed it, how it works and all of that, so that way you don't have to spend your own money trying it out and then regretting it later on. And lastly, we love to take on new adventures and seeking new places to go. So if you guys have any ideas, any suggestions, please go ahead and comment in any of my videos, and we'll be making considerations, plans, and then we'll go on the trips, we'll make some videos, we'll share it with you guys and have you guys entertained. So that's it for this video. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, consider subscribing, because we're gonna be having a lot of fun and we're gonna be making a lot of content that you guys don't want to miss. And don't forget to hit that bell icon, that way you'll be notified of when we upload new videos. Stay tuned and see you guys on the next LED DIY.